Waddling across icy landscapes and diving gracefully through frigid waters, penguins have captivated human imagination for centuries. These flightless birds, with their tuxedo-like plumage and endearingly awkward gait, have become symbols of the Southern Hemisphere, ambassadors of Antarctica, and beloved characters in popular culture. Despite their seemingly comical appearance, penguins are remarkable creatures, uniquely adapted to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Penguins trace their evolutionary roots to ancient flying birds, with fossil evidence suggesting they first emerged around 50 million years ago. Over time, these avian ancestors underwent significant adaptations, gradually losing their ability to fly and developing specialized features that enabled them to excel in an aquatic lifestyle. Their wings evolved into flippers, propelling them through the water with remarkable agility. Their dense bones and streamlined bodies reduced drag, while a thick layer of down feathers provided insulation against the frigid cold. Penguins exhibit a range of anatomical adaptations that suit their aquatic lifestyle. Dense bones. Penguins' bones are denser than those of other birds, helping them overcome buoyancy and dive deeper in search of food. Streamlined bodies. Their streamlined bodies minimize drag, allowing them to glide effortlessly through the water. Countercurrent heat exchange. A remarkable circulatory system known as countercurrent heat exchange helps penguins conserve body heat. Warm blood from their hearts flows through vessels in close proximity to cooler blood returning from their extremities, minimizing heat loss to the surrounding water. Down feathers. Penguins have multiple layers of down feathers, providing exceptional insulation against the extreme cold of their polar habitats. Flippers for propulsion. Their wings evolved into flippers, which they use to propel themselves through the water with remarkable speed and agility. Webbed feet for steering. Their webbed feet provide steering and balance while swimming. Penguins are apex predators in their marine environments, feeding primarily on fish, squid, and krill. They are exceptional divers, capable of reaching depths of over 1,000 feet and holding their breath for up to 20 minutes. Their streamlined bodies, powerful flippers, and dense bones enable them to slice through the water with remarkable efficiency. To catch prey, penguins employ a variety of hunting techniques. Some species, like emperor penguins, rely on group foraging, forming coordinated lines to herd fish into shallow waters. Others, like Adelie penguins, are solitary hunters, using their keen eyesight to spot prey from the surface before diving down to catch them. Penguins spend much of their time at sea, but they return to land for breeding and raising their young. During the breeding season, penguin colonies transform into bustling social hubs, with thousands of individuals gathering to mate, nest, and raise their chicks. Courtship rituals vary among species, but often involve elaborate displays of vocalizations and body postures. Emperor penguins, for instance, engage in a synchronized penguin dance to attract mates. Once a pair bonds, they select a nesting site, often in sheltered areas or among rocks. Penguins typically lay 2 eggs, which are incubated by both parents in turns. The incubation period can range from 30 to 60 days, depending on the species. Upon hatching, penguin chicks are covered in down feathers and rely heavily on their parents for warmth and food. Despite their resilience and adaptations, penguins face a range of threats, including climate change. Rising global temperatures and melting sea ice are disrupting penguin habitats, reducing access to food sources and increasing competition with other species. Overfishing. Overfishing of penguins' prey species, such as fish and krill, can lead to food shortages and population declines. Pollution. Oil spills and other forms of marine pollution can harm penguins directly, causing feather contamination and reducing their ability to thermoregulate and dive. Habitat loss and degradation. Coastal development and human activities can destroy or degrade penguin nesting sites, further reducing their available habitat. Recognizing the threats penguins face, conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic birds and their habitats. Establishing marine protected areas. Creating marine protected areas can help safeguard penguin foraging grounds and breeding colonies from human activities. Sustainable fishing practices. Implementing sustainable fishing practices can reduce the impact on penguin prey populations, ensuring a stable food supply. Reducing pollution. Stricter regulations and improved waste management practices can help minimize marine pollution, protecting penguins from harmful contaminants. Habitat restoration. Restoring degraded penguin habitats can provide them with essential nesting sites and foraging grounds. Penguins, with their tuxedo-like plumage, endearingly awkward gait, and remarkable adaptations, have captured human imagination for centuries. These flightless birds, symbols of the Southern Hemisphere and ambassadors of Antarctica, face a range of threats in a changing world. Conservation efforts, including establishing marine protected areas, implementing sustainable fishing practices, reducing pollution, restoring penguin habitats, raising awareness, and supporting species-specific initiatives are crucial for their survival. Protecting penguins is not just about safeguarding a unique species. It is about preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems and ensuring the wonders of the natural world for generations to come. Let us work together to ensure that the waddle of penguins continues to grace our icy landscapes and the depths of our oceans for many years to come.